Welcome to this short tutorial where we will look together at the process of purchasing a plastic removal package, which is the plastic removal service by the Corsair Group through the platform CorsairConnect.com, or how to assist someone with the purchase. First of all, we go to CorsairConnect.com, where through the Sign In button at the top right, we can log in with our email or username and the corresponding password. Once inside, we go to the menu on the left in the Shop section. Click on Plastic Removal Package, and we will be faced with a very simple screen where we can select the package we want to purchase and the kilograms of plastic we want to remove from the environment thanks to the services of the Corsair Group. If the amount we want to select exists in the drop-down, we will select it. Otherwise, Custom Amount will allow us to customize the amount, which is obviously indicated in dollars. On the right, there will be a summary of the amount in dollars to be paid, which will be automatically deducted from the primary wallet. Or if we have vouchers available through Use Voucher, we can pay using them. We accept the terms and conditions that we can, of course, view. A PDF will open that we can easily read. Otherwise, confirm and pay. The summary is displayed, we confirm the order, and our purchase will be successfully completed. If instead we want to help and assist a third party with the purchase, therefore another user registered on CorsairConnect.com, by selecting Assisted Purchase at the top right, an assisted purchase section will appear asking us who we want to assist. You will need to enter the username and email of the user you want to assist. With the Confirm button, the system will verify the data entered correctly and show us who this user is. The country from which they register. We can add, if we want, the Pro Access as a license if they want to become a Corsair Connect business partner. Otherwise, in the same way, in the summary, we will have the payment details, the wallet from which the money for the payment is withdrawn. We confirm and pay. A further summary, also of whom we are assisting for the purchase. At the bottom, we will find a note telling us that the assisted purchase will be completed through a link that the selected user will then need to specifically click and confirm. But let's do it together. Once the payment is confirmed, the system congratulates us, telling us that our payment link is ready. Through the QR code or by copying and sending this user the link we see below, we can proceed with activating the package we purchased for this user. The person who receives it, by clicking on this link, will see the summary screen, where it indicates who made the purchase of this package and where they will obviously need to enter their access data to the platform. So, username. If two-factor authentication is set up, it will obviously need to be entered. At this point, the purchase can truly be confirmed with the blue button. Starting right now, the My Finances section will flash in the menu. In the My CSR category, The details of the CSR distribution will be immediately available and can be consulted very quickly and intuitively. In the wallet section, we will also have a small note to immediately see the first available amount.